Well, just as families across the Bay Area get ready for Thanksgiving, Hillsborough County has issued an emergency burn ban. Now that means no fire pits, fireworks, or even sparklers.
Yeah, you got to be careful if you're deep frying that turkey too.
Right, yeah.
Officials are telling us the risk of wildfires is now dangerously high, and the region's water supply isn't far behind. 10 Tampa Bay News reporter Eric Glasser explains what's driving these restrictions and how the drought could affect the months ahead.
Well, dry lawns, dropping lake levels, and now no outdoor flames. Hillsborough County's emergency burn ban comes as unseasonably warm temperatures and bone-dry conditions push wildfire danger to its highest level of the year. Fire officials say the ban means no open burning of any kind. No fire pits, no fireworks, no sparklers. And with cooler temperatures in the forecast, anyone expecting a holiday bonfire will have to rethink those plans. Grilling is still allowed, but only if the flames stay contained and constantly attended.
You see the vegetation is really dry, it's drying out, so it's a lot more receptive for fire, for embers, sparks, anything like that. So it's a lot easier to catch on fire right now.
The tinder-dry conditions triggering the ban are also raising alarms about the region's long-term water supply. Tampa Bay Water says the drought is deepening fast.
For rainfall, it's feast or famine, and right now we're in the famine.
The region's main reservoir still has about 12.5 billion gallons, but that is well short of the full capacity of 15 billion. And with no consistent rain expected until late spring, officials say conservation is crucial, possibly moving the entire Tampa Bay area to 1 day a week watering as soon as January.
It's where we're headed. We don't really get significant rainfall in the area till maybe late May.
Respect the conditions. It's way too dry out here. We just need to reduce the opportunities for sparks and wildfires as much as possible right now.
Officials aren't kidding around either. Violating Hillsborough County's burn ban can carry fines of up to $500 and up to 60 days in jail. Violators may also face civil action for any damages. In Dover, Eric Glasser, 10 Tampa Bay News.
And remember, the burn ban lasts 7 days, but county leaders say they are prepared to extend it if conditions don't improve. You can also sign up for emergency text and email alerts at HCFL Alert to get updates the moment anything changes. And we do have a link for you on our website at 10tampabay.com.